Are you tired of traditional class projects that fail to fully engage your students? Then it's time to shake things up. Try using media projects as a dynamic way for students to show the deep knowledge they have of your core concepts. Media making in the classroom offers a unique opportunity for students to hone their skills in creativity, communication, collaboration, and critical thinking. You might be thinking, but I'm not a digital media teacher. Not to worry. The PBS NewsHour Student Reporting Labs have developed a free resource for teachers called StoryMaker that helps all teachers integrate media making challenges into the classroom. Visit the StoryMaker website at story-maker.org. You can create a free StoryMaker account, or you can access the resources without logging in. Navigate to the Resources tab to browse the resource library. Try typing something like challenges in the search bar to get right to the media making challenges. Now that you're here, consider ways you can leverage StoryMaker challenges in your classroom. Try tailoring the challenges to your content. Whatever content area you teach, StoryMaker offers challenges suited to various subjects. For example, if I search the term science, challenges come up that are related to topics like STEM, climate, and engineering. I could also try searching terms like civics or statistics to find results related to social studies and math. You can also adapt the challenges to your timeline. Notice that each StoryMaker challenge or project includes an estimate of how long it will take to complete. You can search for challenges that align with the time frame you and your students can commit to the project. Use StoryMaker challenges to foster civic dialogue. These challenges relate to current world events and provide a platform for students to engage in meaningful civic discourse, promoting critical thinking and empathy. If you're not sure how to dive into these topics, StoryMaker lessons and toolkits can help you and your students acquire media literacy skills. You can also access media making tutorials in StoryMaker. If you or your students are new to media production, StoryMaker offers helpful tutorials to guide you through the process. By participating in StoryMaker challenges, students not only meet core curriculum standards, but also contribute their unique perspectives to national conversations. These timely opportunities enable students to tell powerful stories that resonate with both their peers and broader audiences. Incorporating media making challenges into your classroom not only transforms the learning experience for your students, but also equips them with 21st century skills. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you on the next UEN Teacher Tip.